overview on soldering battery connectors and motor pins. It's not overly difficult. The main thing is having a nice hot soldering iron. Different temperatures for different jobs, so if you solder something too hot that's small, that will cause you almost as many issues as soldering something that's too cold. You'll get dry joints and various things. Okay, so I'm using Castle Creations 6.5mm bullet connectors. Everyone's got different opinions on different connectors, but I'm wiring a 10 gauge cable. 10 gauge cable simply doesn't fit in XT90, so I normally use. So I'm going to start positive side on the positive side of the battery. So with these particular ones, I have to push the connector down first, get a pin. It's quite handy to have a pair of helper hands. So these wires come pre-tinned, so we don't need to tin them. What we do need to do, clean the soldering tip, some fresh solder on each side, clean it again, fresh solder. So heat the pot up a little bit before applying any solder. A little bit, and the solder helps the temperature disperse through the pot, and it also helps the solder spread nicely. So if you're holding this with your hands, you can feel the temperature build up on it, and that's a nice safe way of determining whether it's getting too hot or not. So once it's had a few seconds to cool, it's safe to I found not to make a mistake when you're doing series connectors. You then go straight to the other connector on the negative side, because then when you link these two, they cannot possibly be wrong, hopefully. Okay, so another bullet. That wire stripped sufficiently and tinned sufficiently, so straight on my heating this part up. Once that's nice and hot, you can put the solder straight into the pot nicely. Okay. So I'm going to heat both the pot up and the end of the cable before I allow the two to go together. Always worth holding it for a few seconds afterwards, because it's normally that hot that it takes a few seconds for the solder to start to go hard. This side now is cooled sufficiently. Right, so they're going to do our link cable. So with all these, I tend to try and leave them full length. It's not worth cutting them. You might think that cutting them to your vehicle to keep them nice and neat is a good idea. It might be for some. You make any mistakes, it gives you nothing left to play with. So same thing again. jumps there. Done one side of the jumper cable. That can go through one connector, round to the side, and then this can go through our other connector and pull that right up. Then that's ready to be soldered in. Because we put positive and negative from the ESC into each connector in its respective positive and negative, then it's impossible to get this middle jumper cable wrong. So last connector now. Okay, wait a few seconds. Let's hold on to that, pull that back through, and they just need hammering into place. Now, there's a mixture of ways of doing this. There's a small hole through the top, and you can put a suitable object through there, knock them into place. Personally, the way that I do it is I put the female connector over the top. I've got one that I use that's used as a knackered one, and then it gives you a bigger surface area on the top, and it's all around these pins, and I use that just to hammer these locators into place in the connector.